Hi, my name is Alvin Gomez. I'm with ISC. Today I'll be showing you how to replace the power supply on an IBM 3590 tape drive. The first thing you'll need to do is power off the tape drive and remove the power cord. Then you'll remove the two screws on the back that will hold on the cover. Once the two screws are removed, and now we can remove the cover. Pull back and lift up to remove the cover. This is the power supply that we'll be replacing. To remove the power supply, you'll need to disconnect a J2 connector here. Once that is removed, you'll need to remove the two screws here. Once those screws are removed, you'll just push forward and lift out. And that completes the process of removing the power supply. Now, to replace the power supply, you'll position the power supply in place and then push back to make sure that the lip goes over the power supply. Then the next step will be to replace the two screws that were removed previously. Once the screws have been tightened, you reconnect J2. Once that is complete, you can put the cover back onto the tape drive, connect the power cord, and it'll be ready to be powered back on. This concludes the replacement of the power supply.